Hello again. I've finished the orange and I've just attached the white. You see? Can you see?
Yes, I can.
So I'm just going to do one. I need to do 2 rows, but on camera I'm going to do 1 row of the white, just so you can see that I am actually doing it and I'm not turning the camera off and then outsourcing it to a sighted person to do it.
You know, on the video it looks blue. The white looks blue.
Is it?
It is white, but it
Is it
looks blue.
Your
There's
monitor,
something
do you
very
think?
wrong with my
With
my colours. I'll have to see how the video actually looks when I'm playing it back.
Yeah.
But to look at it now, it looks like it's blue.
Might be a really
So
funky
strange.
font. You sure it's definitely white? No.
No, it is, honestly. It really is. So you're doing a row.
Yes, I need to do 2 altogether, but it'd be boring to just sit and watch me do all this on the video.
Yeah.
Although, you know, I sit and, I have to do tutorials and stuff. Like, sit for hours and just watch people crochet.
Yeah.
Got to be a little bit more exciting than just doing the same old, you know. Am I loud enough?
I have got no
Tendency
clue.
to speak really quietly.
Yes, I know. We'll find out. I've got that video editor thingy that can crank you up a bit.
You are so croaky still.
I know.
Sound like Marge Simpson. Is it Marge Simpson or is it Sisters? I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't watch the
It's all of
Simpsons.
them, isn't it? All the 3 sisters are super croaky.
Anyway, yeah, but you don't have to film me doing all of this. You can see that I'm doing it.
Yes.
I can do it. I don't.
Yeah.
The stitching won't be perfect, probably because I've never done this smaller stitch
Yeah.
before, because I usually like to use the very smallest of 4mm, because I need to be able to feel the stitches, like I said before.
Yeah.
And the smaller the stitches, the more difficult they are to feel, as you can imagine.
Yeah.
You know, I need to be able to feel them with my fingertips, where each little stitch is.
Yeah.
And these are, it might be millimetre, I don't know. This is a, what is it, 3.25.
3.25.
I could probably go down to a 3, maybe, but I'm not sure I could go any smaller than that. I could try. I did try that tiny little one that you did. What was it? You know, that tiny thing that you tried. You do it with. Remember that when you couldn't crochet, so you decided to buy a tiny little crochet.
0.5.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah.
I couldn't even feel the hook. No matter the stitch.
I can do a nice chain, so I can actually use it to do bedding edgings. Because I can do a nice chain. And if I could retain the information on how to crochet, then I could definitely
I keep trying
crochet.
to tell you.
And
So you get it though. You get it, and then you just forget it. Woohoo! Oh, there I go again. My phone. That's actually a change. So just not going to mean anything to you. It's from Carmen Rider. You know it's like original Power Rangers. Don't let Saf know I said that. You know, Power Rangers came from the Japanese Carmen Rider.
No, I didn't know that.
Oh, yeah.
Why shouldn't we let...
So if you say that Carmen Rider is Power Rangers, still go mad.
Really?
Even Power Rangers is naff, and Kamen Rider is like the original thing. Power Rangers is like a rip off crap thing.
Is that the one that like Go
Mighty Morphin Power Rangers?
Yeah.
Power Rangers.
Yeah.
Did I tell? Oh, have you heard Power Rangers theme song sung by Dimash?
No.
It's amazing. I don't think he'd lower himself to sing Power Rangers, but he does it so well.
I'm gonna have to.
He does everything so well.
I'm gonna have to find that video.
Oh, it's so good.
Let me just pause and find the video.